Hey guys, welcome back. It's your girl Tasha and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, welcome. I am early for an appointment today, so I was like, you know what, there's a drugstore here, so why not do some hygiene shopping, just some budget shopping. I want to go in and see what they have on sale. I was on my phone last night and I seen that this drugstore here, if you're from GTA, we have a Rexall. And the thing is that Rexall is a lot like Shoppers Drug Mart, but I feel like it's like low-key because when I go in there, it's not packed at all. Like, it's not like a Shoppers. There's so much sale in there sometimes. I'm like, yo, people really don't know. If you're from the States, I think a Shoppers is like an Ulta or just like a regular drugstore. I'd like to show you guys that we can shop on a budget for basically anything when it comes to like food, clothes, hygiene, cleaning. I just want to let you guys know about how I save money and how you can save money as well. I didn't bring a lot of things with me today. I just brought my camera. I didn't bring my thing to, you know, film it properly, but we're gonna go in faith and we're gonna go and just believe that it's gonna work. Hopefully there's not a lot of people like I set up in there. Usually when I go in there, it's not that full. It's pretty empty and it's a Monday, so it should be fine. If you notice this shirt, this was from my thrifting haul. It's my first time wearing it. I really love it. It's so vintage. It's a nice day out today. It was so hot yesterday. It's not as hot today. It's a bit cool and breezy. I hate when like cars are coming out the parking lot. Like, parking lots are just not for me. So yeah, let's go into the drugstore and see what they got up in there. Look, as soon as I walk in, guys, I see that they have 25% sale. Yeah, let's just look around. I think we should start in this aisle first. Okay, so they have a lot of 25% off stickers. So if something was like $14.99, now it's $11.24. I mean, that's not like a big sale, but at least you're getting something off. And look, they have a lot of these like face masks that they have 25% off for those. I think I had something like this before. It's like a moisture bomb. They have some body washes here for $5.99. So many different scents. They have these ones and they're also $5.99. And then they also have the hand soaps as well. Oh, these body wash look so good and they're 20% off. It's the coconut one. So those are the savings. Regular $6.99. You're getting it for $5.59. They have these Dove hand wash on sale for $4.99. Then they also have the bar soap for $4.99 as well. Ooh, and this is a big pack. And mind you, this is a drugstore, so sometimes the drugstore is just a little bit more pricey than the regular store. And they have, ooh, rejuvenating. These are $4.99 right now. I don't think I've seen this. Oh, it says new. This is interesting. These are $4.99. Let me try this. They also have this one, gentle exfoliating. And they have the St. Ives as well. See, there's like so many sale items in here, guys. Love these Irish Spring. They set up very well, guys. And these are on sale right now for $5.99. And the thing is, sometimes where you live, you could probably only shop at a drugstore. You can't like go to places like Walmart. But it's good to always just keep up and see like when is their sale gonna be. Even though sometimes drugstores are more money, they do have sale all the time on different products. They have these Old Spice, and these are for men. Some of them smell really good. The one, I don't know if it's this one, but the majority of these smell very good. The Old Spice of Irish Spring for $5.99. That's a pack of 6. And then they have the Dove for $4.99. Look at all the sale stickers, guys. A lot of items are on sale right now. So the weather is hot right now and they have a lot of sunscreens here on sale. This brand here, the Banana Boat, I'm in this $9.49 right now. And they also have this brand here on sale for $9.49. And these are on sale as well. So this is what I saw online when I was looking yesterday, that they had the Argan Oil. It's $7.99 right now. And you're getting the shampoo for $7.99 as well as the conditioner. I've used these in my hair before and I really like it. And these are also on sale for $7.99. How come I can't get this to focus good? See, my lighting sometimes is crazy. Oh, this is for locking coconut curls. So they have this on sale. They even have this one here. It's a repairing mask for your hair, and these are on sale for $7.99. And then they have Shea Moisture products as well. Those are on sale. We got the Pantene Daily Moisture Renewal, and that is $4.99 right now. I have a couple of the Pantene products on sale. These are $4.99 right now. They have so many Dove products here for sale. Like, this is a Dove repairing. I always like the ones for repairing my hair, because when it's going through its stuff, like when I straighten it and I do so much to it, I like to put something that's going to repair about my hair. They have these Tresemme products. These are $6.99. And they also have these Dove men hair products on sale. They also have a lot of hair products that are 10% off. Like, sometimes I'm just like, what is 10% off really? But it's at least a tax in my eyes. It's at least getting a portion off the tax. I use a lot of Cantu in my hair, and this is for natural hair shea butter. What is the leave-in conditioner? So I use the leave-in conditioner a lot. I use this one as well like a conditioning lotion. Like, these are good as well. These are $5.99. This is the one that I use the most. This is just my thing right here. So let's just walk around in the store and see what other types of sales they have. Mascara. Yeah, mascara on sale. Lash serum, and these are $8.99 right now. They also have like the brow pencils. You're saving $4 as well. And I always love when a brow pencil is providing some type of help. This has the brush to it as well as the pencil part. It has some foundations. Those are $8.99 right now. It's Rimmel London, Kind and Free. These are $8.99. You're saving $3. And they also have lashes on sale, guys. They're $6.99. You're getting a pack of 2. These are good. So for the facial cleansers, buy one get one 50% off, and it's these ones. And then some of them is 25% off. The one that I used to use a lot was this one. This works very well, but for my face, I have a lot of eczema, so it's like I just drifted off into things that will work a little bit better for me. They have the Aveeno products for 25% off. Relief moisturizer. So, and this is 25% off. And you're also collecting points. I wonder if they have that face cleanser that I wanted. Let's see. Oh my gosh, they have the foaming face cleanser. I think I'm gonna pick this up because I've been wanting this. Okay, so they have this size for $14.99. And I think this is this bigger size for $23.99. And then they have a lot of this Cetaphil products here, and they're 20% off. Yeah, so this is something that I've been wanting to try for the longest time, so I'm actually gonna get to try this today, and it's on sale, saving $6. I tried looking for it in another store, but I could not find it, so I'm thankful that I found it now. I don't know if it's sold out or they just didn't have it, but yeah. Like, y'all know, this is my holy grail. This is what I use all the time. This is my favorite. So mixing it with this, we're gonna see what it's gonna do to my face. But this is 25% off right now, plus you're getting 5,000 points. We got this stuff. I don't know what I would do without it. I don't know what I was doing without it. I'm not really into like these type of wipes for my face. For some reason, it just irritates it. But if you are into it, these are also on sale. Okay guys, so we're gonna go check out the cleaning products because that's always fun too. They got some Lysol on sale here for $4.99. The spray that I use the most though, this is the one I use the most, but it ain't on sale right now. This is just my all-purpose Lysol spray, but that's $6.99. I don't be buying it for $6.99 ever, so that ain't happening. They have this one here on sale. These are $2.99 right now, so that's awesome. And they also have it in like another scent for $2.99. So they have a few things. They even have the wipes there for $4.99. And they have these are like, I use these in my car as well. These are 30% off right now. And then they have these down here, some little Vims. They're 99 cents. Like, you can never go wrong with 99 cents for a cleaning product, and it's Vim. You could just stock up on a couple of these. And then they also have like these boxes of bleach down here. You get 2 for $6. I'm pretty sure I also saw like laundry detergent on sale, so I'm gonna be looking for that. Oh, here it is. They have the Gains for $4.99. Yes, it's a small bottle, but they also have the bigger bottle for $11.99. These are $4.99 right now. And usually sales on a flyer, they would last for like a week, and sometimes they go even longer than that. They have these for 30%. They have the Cheers. I never really tried these. Have you guys tried Cheers before? Like, does it work? They also have a lot of these scents that you can put in your house. They're 99 cents. Oh, they have these too for small spaces. These are $2.99. And these that you can put in your car, these are $2.99 as well. And they have like the Glade candles. Whole bunch of savings up in here, guys. Even these Febreze sprays, $2.99. It's such a pretty new bottle. Yes guys, that is basically the end of my haul. I just wanted to show you guys what they had on sale in here and how you can go to your drugstore and find a sale, look on your app for a sale. But yes, I'm gonna grab the 1-2 things that I came in here to pick up, like my foaming cleanser, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.